Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and you are watching As the Reader. Today is day 29 of my English practice journey. Today's video I want to share a simple inspiring short story of the honest man. The powerful of one honest man. There was a small town named Suryapur. It was a peaceful place where people knew each other and life moved slowly like a calm river. In this town lived a man named Raghav. He was not rich, he was not famous, and he had no special power, but he had something even more valuable: honesty and a pure heart. Raghu worked as a small shopkeeper. Every morning he opened his shop at 7 a.m. and started clearing the shelves. His shop was not big, but it was neat and organized. People loved to buy things from him because they trusted him completely. Everyone in the town believing that Raghav would never cheat anyone, even by mistake. One sunny afternoon, one sunny afternoon, something unexpected happened. A wealthy businessman from another city came to Suryapur for a visit. Stopped at Raghav's shop to buy a bottle of water. The businessman was in a hurry. He took the bottle, paid the money, and rushed away. But in his hurry, he dropped his leather wallet near the counter. Raghav did not notice at the first. The shop was busy, and he continued servicing customers. After the crowd left, he finally saw the wallet lying on the floor. When he picked it up and opened it, he was shocked. Inside a wallet, there was a large money of cash, several card, and important documents. Anyone could see that this money was enough to change Raghav's life. For the moment, his mind became silent. He thought about his simple life. He thought about his struggles. He thought about the days when he had no money to repair his shop or buying new stock. But then he remembered something his father once told him. If your honesty is strong, no difficulty can break you. Raghav immediately made a decision. He closed his shop early and started walking around the town, trying to find the businessman. He asked the people, he checked the market, and he even went to the bus stand. But the man was nowhere to be found. After the long search, Raghav saw a car parked near a town exit. Inside the car was the same businessman, looking very worried. Raghav walked up to him and said, "Sir, this is your wallet." The businessman's face lit up with relief and surprise. He could not believe that someone had actually returned such a valuable wallet without taking a single rupees from it. The businessman opened the wallet, checked everything, and realized that nothing was missing. He looked at Raghav and said, Why did you return it? You could have kept the money. No one would have known." Raghav smiled and softly and replied, "Maybe no one would know, but I would know, and I don't want to lose my honesty for anything." The businessman was deeply moved. He was used to big cities where people often think only about themselves. Meeting someone like Raghav felt like meeting a rare diamond. He took Raghav's hand with respect and said, "You are a honest man, and today you have touched my something important." Before leaving, the businessman offered Raghav a reward, but Raghav politely refused. I did what was right, he said, not what was profitable. The news spread quickly through Suryapur. Everyone praised Raghav, but he did not feel proud. He felt peaceful because he knew he had protected the most precious terriers his. So friends, this was my short story for day 29 of my English practice journey. Thank you so much for this listening, and my name is Ashish and you are watching as the reader. So please keep touch. If you enjoy this story, please like and share the videos, and also please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.